Everyone, it's Miss Allison. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So we're going to look quickly at how to take a screenshot or use what's called the snip tool for your assignment so you know how to submit that. So you have whatever you're trying to take a picture of here. This is our example website. And you would type in snip on the bottom of your desktop bar here. And we're looking for the snipping tool. Alright, so this will pop up once you get that snipping tool. It'll just open on its own. We are going to create a new snip. So in here, I'm going to make sure that I have everything I need. My screen's a little bit smaller than yours will look like when I'm recording, so it might look a little bit different. But I'm going to click here on New, and then you're going to select whatever area you would like to take a screenshot of, and you'll create a snip. So make sure that you're focused in on what you need. This obviously is not a perfect example. You'd need the whole writing down here. But once you do that, you're just going to drag and drop. I released my hand from my mouse or from the keypad that's on my laptop, and then it created this, okay? So up top here, you can see that this bar pops up. You can save this if you would like to your desktop. That's totally an option. What I usually end up doing is I just right-click it, and then I click copy. And that's going to make a copy immediately. Then on my Google Doc, I'm going to right-click, I'm going to click paste, and it shows up there. Pretty easy, pretty simple. Again, you can save it to your desktop as well if you need to. All right? Hopefully that is helpful on how to use the snip tool or take a screenshot for your assignment. Thanks.